Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you one quickest and easiest recipe. You can say snacks recipe, evening snacks recipe, and which is the my favorite snacks. And the I am going to share this recipe. The name is the Cruchiest chiseling chaat, which every kids will like the most. So hope you like this video, as this is my first video, so hope you like it. So the ingredients are: the first is the chiseling, second is the chaat masala, third is the lemon juice, fourth is the coriander leaves, fifth is the onion, one chopped onion, sixth is the one chopped tomato, seventh is the aloo sev, eighth is the chana ni dal, and last one is the chili powder. On these two ingredients you can substitute with the maghni dal, or you can use the plain sev or ratlami sev as per your requirement, require and as per your taste. So today let's start this video. So first I'm gonna adding one chopped onion, one chopped tomato, let mix first. Add chana ni dal. Now I am adding chiseling. Make a good mix. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon chili powder. You can add more or less as per your taste. Now I am adding the chaat masala. Chaat masala is the big main ingredient, so I am adding this all. Now there is the lemon juice, which I am going to add to all. So I am little bit adding salt. I forgot to mention, but you can add, or you can if you want you can, but it is not required, so it's optional. Now I am adding the aloo sev. And on topping, coriander leaves. So this is the dish, which is very easy to make, delicious, crunchiest. So hope you like this video and this recipe. If you like, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel, so you can see more videos related to this, not only related to cooking, but you can get the videos related to the education, drawing, painting, crafting, dancing, DIY and many more. Thank you.